Did you know it's possible to earn money every month without working a regular 9 to 5? Imagine waking up and seeing your bank account grow without lifting a finger. That's the power of passive income, and today, I'll show you how to make it happen. Whether you're starting with little or no resources, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start building financial freedom for yourself. Let's face it, most people feel trapped in a constant cycle of work, bills, and stress about money. You work long hours, yet there's barely anything left to save or invest. Sound familiar? This struggle isn't unique, it's a reality for millions of people. The problem is, relying solely on active income, like your salary, means trading your time for money. If you don't work, you don't earn. But what if there was a way out? A system where your money or efforts work for you, even when you're not actively involved. That's where passive income comes in. It's the key to financial independence and breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. Today, I'll show you how to shift your mindset and take control of your financial future by creating consistent, passive streams of income. Passive income is money you earn without actively trading your time for it, unlike your regular paycheck, which requires constant effort. Instead, passive income works in the background, generating money for you, whether you're working, relaxing, or even sleeping. Think of it as planting a seed. At first, you put in the work to nurture it, but once it grows, it produces fruit continuously, with minimal upkeep. But why is it essential? Because passive income gives you freedom. Freedom from the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. Freedom to spend more time doing what you love. It's also a powerful wealth-building tool. Imagine this. Instead of relying solely on one income source, you have multiple streams of money flowing in, supporting your goals and future. And here's the thing, it's not just for the wealthy. Anyone, no matter their financial situation, can start creating passive income. Whether you're investing in dividends or building a digital product, the principle remains the same. Work once, and let the system do the rest. In the next section, we'll dive into the specific types of passive income and how they can work for you. Now that we've defined what passive income is, let's explore the most effective ways to create it. Here are the top sources that you can start building today. First, investments in financial assets. This includes dividend-paying stocks, where companies pay you a portion of their profits regularly. Another popular option is real estate investment trusts, REITs, or Fundos Inmobiliarios, FIIs, which allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. And let's not forget about fixed-income investments like bonds or savings accounts, which can provide consistent, low-risk returns. Second, digital products and online assets. We live in the digital age, which means creating an ebook, launching a course, or even monetizing a YouTube channel can generate income for years with minimal ongoing effort. These assets can reach global audiences, scaling your earnings exponentially. Third, affiliate marketing. If you enjoy recommending products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. This works particularly well if you have a blog, a social media following, or an email list. Finally, automated online businesses, such as print-on-demand stores or dropshipping. These require some setup but can run almost entirely on autopilot, generating steady income over time. Each of these strategies has its own learning curve, but they're all accessible and scalable. In the next section, I'll share common mistakes people make when starting their passive income journey and how you can avoid them. Starting your passive income journey is exciting, but it's easy to fall into common traps that can derail your progress. Let's address 3 major mistakes and how to avoid them. The first mistake is underestimating the initial effort required. Many people assume passive income means set it and forget it, but that's rarely the case. Building reliable streams of income, whether it's investing, creating a digital product, or starting an online business, requires time, learning, and effort up front. The key is to stay consistent and focused on the long-term rewards. Second, putting all your eggs in one basket. Relying on just one source of passive income, like a single stock or one product, is risky. Diversification is crucial. Spread your efforts across multiple sources to reduce risk and maximize returns. Finally, expecting overnight results. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategy for sustainable, long-term financial growth. Many people quit too early because they don't see immediate success. Remember, every great system takes time to build. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll set yourself up for steady progress. Next, I'll show you a step-by-step plan to start building passive income today. Now that you know the opportunities and pitfalls, let's talk about how to take action. Here's a simple, step-by-step plan to start building passive income today. Step 1. Evaluate your resources. Take a close look at your current situation. How much time, money, and skills do you have to invest? If you're short on cash, focus on time-based strategies like creating digital products. If you have savings, consider investments like dividend-paying stocks or real estate funds. Step 2. Choose your first income stream. Start with something that aligns with your resources and interests. For example, if you enjoy writing, creating an ebook might be a great option. If you're more interested in finance, investing in REITs or dividend stocks could be your path. Remember, the key is to start small and scale up over time. Step 3. Set realistic goals. Break your plan into achievable milestones. For example, aim to earn $50 per month in passive income within the first 3 months. Once you reach that goal, reinvest the profits to grow your earnings further. Step 4. Automate and optimize. Use tools and platforms to streamline your processes. For example, automate your investments with a brokerage app or schedule content for your digital products to save time. Step 5. Stay consistent. Passive income doesn't grow overnight. Dedicate time each week to learning, improving, and scaling your efforts. Small, consistent actions lead to big results over time. By following this plan, you'll not only create your first stream of passive income but also build a strong foundation for long-term financial freedom. In the final section, we'll wrap up with a powerful message and actionable next steps. Remember, the journey to financial freedom doesn't start with a giant leap. It begins with a single step. Every day you wait is a day your passive income could have been growing. So, take action now, no matter how small the first step. It's not about how much you make, but how wisely you manage and grow what you have. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which passive income strategy will you start with today? The future you want begins now.